Hey everybody, hi, welcome. So happy you're here. If you're new, I'm Laura. This is Wyatt. I think Zena's hiding over here in the corner. You can't see her. And we do subscription box unboxing, shopping hauls, after the day, and so much more. If you're returning, thank you so much. So appreciate the support. Please hit that subscribe if you're new. I am trying to get to 10,000 subscribers in the new year, and I need your help to do it. For today's box, it's not really a box, it's actually a bag. I have my November Glamour Jewelry Box. I love this subscription. Glamour Jewelry Box is a jewelry subscription. The jewelry is yours to keep. It is $34 a month, and in the US that does include shipping. And for that you get 2 pieces of high-end jewelry. So let's check it out. You usually get between dainty and trendy pieces, and you can choose your metals between gold and rose gold or silver, or you can just choose to rotate, which is what I like to do. You always get everything inside a little jewelry pouch, just like this one. I'm just ripping right in, didn't even show you, just like this one. And you always get little cards that tell you about the jewelry inside your pouch, as well as there is always a theme. And this one says, something shiny and sparkly has arrived just for you. This is the Starlight collection. It says, Starlight, Starbright, we have something special for you to open tonight. This month's Starlight collection is perfect for the holiday season. Each piece shines and sparkles with its unique, dainty design. A trendy yet timeless collection that you can dress up or down. Such exciting pieces for the holiday season. All right, we're going to get into this. I, of course, do have a code for you, so we'll cover that at the end after I get to show you the pieces for November. Let's do this. Okay, so first up, earrings. These are rose gold, and these are called the Starbright earrings. These are really pretty. I get them so I can share them with you. Here we go. Hopefully you can see these. These are so pretty. Here we go. Check those out. So pretty, right? Here's the second one. Those are so pretty. I like those. Perfect for the holidays. And the card, the little card says, the Starbright earrings are glamorous earrings that shine from every angle. A trend-forward yet sophisticated design. This pair is a must in everyone's jewelry box collection. Plated in 14-karat rose gold or rhodium. The retail price is $38. Those are really pretty. Just enough sparkle to draw the eye. Okay, we have more. I have a cuff, a bracelet cuff. Ooh, this is pretty. You okay, bud? You look in your paw. Look at this. Check out the sparkle on that. So it does not go all the way around. It is solid on this side. And then it has all the sparkle where it's open. That is so pretty. So it says this is the Twilight cuff. The Twilight cuff is a dainty, sparkling bracelet that's modern and delicate. This beautifully designed cuff is perfect to stack and layer or leave solo, plated in 14 karat rose gold or rhodium as well. The retail price is $36. Both of these are from the Laurel and Rose collection. Obviously it is adjustable, so you can make this a little tighter or wider based on your preference. Look how pretty that is. I don't know if you can hear Zena. She's making sleepy time noises right beside me. That's so pretty. You could also, I like these types of bracelets if you're wearing like something black and long sleeve and a little tighter to your arm. Put that on top of it. It'd be so pretty. That was, all right, so here is both pieces. Pretty, right? This would make an awesome gift as well. So if you just wanted to buy 1 month, 2 month, or 3 month subscription for someone, it would make a really great gift. So as I said, $34, 2 pieces of jewelry. And of course, I do have a code for you. If you sign up for a subscription and use the code HAPPY, you will get an additional free item with your first box valued around $25. And I'll put all that information down below for you in case you want to check out Glamour Jewelry Box. So let me know what you thought of this Starlight collection for the month of November. I do think it brings a little bit of holiday sparkle, right? I enjoyed it. I do love stacking the cuffs as well. So you could add an extra little bling with your bracelets. All right, this was fun. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. Please do comment down below and let me know what you thought. Hit that like if you enjoyed this video before you go. And if you haven't already hit that subscribe, please do. Would love the support. And for those of you that already have, huge thank you. Until next time, bye everybody.